Guys, it's the cool kids. Don't mind that. And today we're gonna be doing sound effects. Sorry, this lighting is terrible. Let me fix this.
And I'm here too. I'm here too.
Hey guys.
Just don't mind this guy.
Hey, I'm talking here, and we'll be back when we're ready to shoot them.
Yes!
Dude,
Yeah?
you were supposed to hit the boo when he missed.
You happy?
You're kind of late.
Oh, I am.
Sorry about that, guys. Redo.
Okay, my turn. My turn on the
redo.
Tommy, it's a redo. He gets to go again.
Tell me when to go.
Go. Yeah, you're terrible. Terrible. Terrible.
Wait.
We'll be back. We're back. And go.
Wait.
You're supposed to hold it. Go, go, go.
Take Colin's turn.
Yeah, no, I am not doing it.
What happened to this stupid app? Take Colin, I'll hold it.
This app ain't stupid.
You stupid.
Colin, come on. Oh, guys, we're at my house. Okay, Colin.
Why did you tell them that information?
They don't even know where. They don't know where it's at.
Did you actually just tell them that you're at my house?
No, I told you. I said I'm at my house. We're at my house.
Did Colton allow you to?
Yeah, it's my channel.
Yeah, Marcus, it's not yours.
Are you guys gonna go?
Yes!
You gonna
Oh
go?
yeah, what about the sound effects?
Are you gonna wait? Are you recording?
Yeah.
Stop it.
Come on, Colton.
Why didn't you ever stop it?
I'm Donald Trump, y'all.
Okay, we'll be back in a little bit.
And that was it for today, guys. Goodbye.